Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. This is going to be a little bit of fun with a recent acquisition I have made. I have acquired 6 Era Insurance padlocks, early generation, with the lovely sliding gate, as opposed to the shutter style gate featured in later models. These padlocks are all keyed alike. That doesn't mean they have the same binding order. Surprisingly enough, the levers in each lock behave differently. This could be due to the build-up of crud differing in each lock, or just the number of times the lock was used affecting the springs on the levers. The kit I am using is from uklockpickers.co.uk. I know I rattle on a lot about this kit, but with a very small amount of tweaking this kit does open a huge number of locks. It is the cheapest kit I have found online and I highly recommend it. Then when you get more used to how lever locks function, you can expand your tool set with some of the more expensive ones from the likes of ND Mac, or GJ Locks. Just remember, you never learned to drive a car in a Rolls-Royce, but you were able to learn how to drive in that little Fiesta no problems. These locks have 5 levers, no false gates, but you can lock the levers out if you lift them too high. I hope you have enjoyed me rattling through these locks. Once I get some keys cut for them, I will be passing these out to my subscribers who have shown an interest in picking lever locks. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you all in the next video.